welcome to Dave Hammer TV. This is Spiritual World live on Dave Hammer TV. Mama Kwaba Ichecha Medama Sisa Bibi Amoshe live. Very Reverend Dr. Pitufori. I will have to address certain issues. As Christians, as people looking up to some men of God, yes, I know say a lot of people look at people as role models. Into your leader, your unyamini pakesie. Na say people look up to you. What are some of the things I expected from you? Very much about the Mama TV. So.
David, thank you very much. In fact, a week here, I was a topic here up because the kingdom now, Christ is the head, you know. And so, young Casa the workers, you know, you damage you, you open your doors on my other outside.
Okay.
A leader, you must respect yourself, and you must respect individual person, down the low to even. The Yasabaka said the common man, and understand everybody view, any aim and mission.
Okay.
Then if you say approaching and advising, or far, tango, one far, why you not go a chuma? Meaning the baby a free bar. I would be assassin.
Yeah.
I quite say, and there, young can say a friend once of one. Your 5-4 ministry.
Okay.
Apostle, prophet, evangelist, teacher, and a pastor.
Okay.
In the New Testament, Elano, Sana, Yehuno free the poor, even free officials for Lebanon.
Okay.
Now, they say, no, I quite will be up a hype. No, be up a say a castle on the mayor.
Will be up a sort of trendy.
But I usually be see Apollo on the poor time.
I see. Those days.
Grunta Safono, this is a poor nation. Apollo the head the warm. But Paul me yet as said, Give me now here, but the Juma for I will be a praying part. The Yana said, Obi Arabi Hune, the area, and then the calling, and then the message on the Mediamano. A important part. Yen Yen could tell one message. The Bible said, Jesus Christ ni pediano or the see what said the body of the Christ you will see your so your 1 year 1 minute but then you are carbon be ni pediano. Okay. At the same time when you mean pediara when you couple be friend your message. In evangelist. Evangelist not confer the party for outside but I saw them. The pastor had a training no because now say you used to shepherd a man. Okay. It be a wounded. As a ultimate emimukro or cancel more tentromo. Apostle at the breaking grounds establish a church. And the prophet is the eye and the voice of the people in the local church. Okay. The teacher, a papa at the same church. But God grace, you know, you are a radical ministry before the issue I say will be say
Yes. I saw for me, even if I affected former president, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
And say
other people I don't know.
Many also from Pana meaning meaning say be a madam. But meaning say or radio for a long time. My cancer, my visiting Aceh. My visiting and Miami and Robo Minyakito. Okay. Suffolk Quarter. Okay. The same quarter. Yeah. Yakuni feel my Koni ministry that. The convert will be cry or Accra. The one I'm not Mr. Kusi say why elite. Oh. And you know the members of the can say prophet to draw. Yeah. Onto now Oma dissecting the gospel ministry. The shouting is not a message. Message. Okay. And I don't know, the ministry or say Lambason, the ministry. Alabaster.
Yes, Alabaster.
Okay. But the way I see attack personality with the prophecy or word of knowledge about with the other side, they say, I'm for failure. Or the brothers say, I know they are important for the ministry now is here. But the question of the day is to say, dear the church say, what you see about trainer preaching, now do be fear, just say, why you as a way in a Soviet. But I hear you, man, dear. Don't play the hypocrite way because you know so better. What refer say that sorrow now over worry with Gira Sabi or Dawich. Not sorry, no, worry in Gira and ne one in a year ministry. It is a barming ya and teaching year and think how about co up our worry. I will see him for the need money and set a man because I there is a discipline. Until also the ministry as here, don't shut him. The makase prophecy or the word of knowledge, a word of wisdom. Yeah. Any prophet being said that any mistake, but they do be a pressure of the people. Last week, be some kind of say, also be back can say, who said trouble. Yeah. Me dim said media pushing. Any sympathy be a home trend because me no kasem review. Because there was a trauma before for the Bible prophecies be, but in a way the juma into a cock and pass where they see. Me no na me nim no na e dey wo me chim. Nti say oba be CH na wo kase travel betima sa awini a wo sesa na dwene wo de unyame ma wo ya wo de message say message ni duru no ho say no ho you can know ba wo sa be kase sa no ma ye na no ntire be ma trauma wini a on say we no nye Nyankopon no so ano ono no kire na dwene e na ama na dwene anameboa nti se wo sofo a wo so preacher sampa no me ti se emre bi enua covid ka se sa Nigeria pastors Ghana pastors ye djira America ho ni e ka se o mabato ase we ne be wini no enne the main necessary thing here na hey David yasi gira da America
o hu ni se we ya
dere chese we ya yasi gira da America ene nti o tiesi ene anagana ni so gwa no tie yasi gira da America e we ya ye pa bibi biere ni wa efa ko di wo ni ho a ana se fa Nigeria ni wa o Ghana ni o betra okro be ka se we ya enti no sa word no we su ni de minim baby o free ba okay enti mesre pa se sa attack no but o kana so o generalize no without any basis with any spiritual give for ben ani na wanye na djuma yi the maybe say nyame die djuma bi a chene say ono na cancel give for ana na say o person o cancel obi kra kwa we ne fa so u provoke no u she na bufu ni pa no so say o start ministry e dey down when ya because untimi nkan kire me say o su bemba any impact e o Ghana nobody ye ka ye de ba wona mo kedin a nka o su bemba din e be bi edru no alabasta din no no matter how research na was actually na okay and only we are see den after but the question of the day say dear na me nua no beti waka kire say enye ono enye onyu Nyankopon na afre adifo no e the evidence no we evidence we are entino sa de no de o nkura na koma David ye nyina de ngina ye yere no mte ye nchen ye wasafo mo ye wasafo mo me nkan wo kwa me woni se obi free the ministry move from America straight Obama sorry die no who free America nti Obama sorry oduru Accra otoaso ofri ade call ye oni je si ye hotel go college oduru me one of gaje say me man lodge on me man aba hotel aba me e wo me ho e da no ye kwase otie masem da no kwase sane no me nyina ba no later on it is say be your go ye so college na comfort ba ho de me say me kire no de me say me kire nti mesre say ministry money mamu me damage e ho ma adaw ede other all regional believers, you know, because the Christ no you're punching it too much. As you to be the defending in the name of the gospel and the Christian business. Okay. Adia Uzuba Bekai say Yamina Swan and Yamina Swana. A young Casanity. Okay. Yente Uzuba and some Nimikaka. Okay. Yeah, but here.
God be dim at 10,000 times. Remember, be dim your mama 10,000 times. Your mama, when you're president, what the president came? We are ordinary human being like me. Adwuma ne wura mponti me magina manim kasantia me. We adwuma o radio station busumdra ne atua wo ka. Me me show obi ase o. Me obi a ne tua me ka o. Me de me ho. Enu nti no sa akwa bi no so oka ho no. One sa Mugabe no. Se nyame na afre me. Osu bempa ampa. Eye no kure se nyame na afre me a. Omu be wuti se mowa. Na sa akwa na oni Mugabe di matem no. So ma ne ma be wu watofuwo. Ena ono ankasa so be wu mogawuo.
Amen.
Twema me ka asem nchiro. David ka kire Solomon say Solomon enkrofobia ya me bone me mfa nche wo mo. Bomade se Joab ube twaniti ada ube kunu amena wu ada ne mogam. Obi biara osoreti ami David Solomon mema seni pakro no mu asomdwe wu. Eye David ne kae. But David no a holy man of God. Enu ntimbu a munya bloggers mudi matem no obi biara obedi matem in the name of Osu Bempa Shenkom. Me samao emo nyame ahonhom nso. Michael, Gabriel, Raphael, Uriel, Orofiel, Zarachiel, and Simiel. Obi biara beka seti Osu Bempa. Enam so nyame se me nkasa na makasa nti. Mesuma sre wo nyame dwan to Nyankopon akonya kese. So on releases Simiel, the wrath of God. Simiel, the death angel. So attack his uncle.
Amen.
Blessed Monday.
Amen.
You will die before your time.
Amen.
Mugabe, you will die before your time. And Nana, I will break oils. Matmaku 21. Now oil bakubia me break bia. A bear tender. I strike obibia waka say tiame. And I'm so Bempa prophesied. Sanko form did matem, including Kofi Odru. You call yourself man of God. I will let you know. Say me Benjamin Juma Masana Oba. I will let you know, say I'm more spiritual than you. You a baby. You crazy. What you know? A share. Adiana Nuria. Now 350 now be didi. A deep water. What do you know? I didn't know him. Power. Most Ramos also been pay politics. What to so? I politics now, you know. Because also, who political party out to Abamano. In chamber secretly, Nicodemusly. Uno Mushia. O say aso for tonton yama mi osu mempa me tonton yama da Kofi Oduro aso tonton mantles e wo wasoro dem. I dare you say opa brabonten na fa bible be so tonton mantles e wo wasoro dem a usku a wo so wate wo so ase adifo ni na adwamanfo usku na wa bie ne mamienu na wanyem wo mo no afu woni bible mu nche obi a wo say e na mun preach akranko heaven na mun nyai politics my brother osofo jimifo mame kan se mi nchiro eye ahinie ni amamu ne control enipa e wasase so enti na bible say nipa bonifo bu oma na oma ne sofa na nipa tinini a oso nyame bu oma na oma no di ye kwanim me ntra honom ema obi a we otrimodenfo ema me bu oman ema oman sofa enti nyame na afre me ama me that office. And I person catch a Kofi Oduro say, won't you mean can't say what you dom at me Osu Bempa? A doma yamina me swat in Unchibi. Impact on yamina me swam make our Ghana any abrucheno, wouldn't ye be a fan about? Tell me start to preachy dom, then I make crown fro. Now when I say I start so preachy, I was so kind marketplaces. Me start here now start. What from home prophet? Oh, shan't come out say off air. No more you camera next person now shan't come. Minim krofo a hye omo koma na enkom tro a omo ba no abeka kire me wa ma sofo bebreba no omo ben na omo namfo ene ase so omo nyina atwo omo afiri ho sanse wa attack omo father Kofi Oduro, this is your last warning. Me odi agora me attack physically and spiritually. I'm telling you and I'm serious. Etimenyo ho so ye holy eche obi a Ghana ho enyo ho so na sofo papa na difo ni na ye abonefo eni atrofo Kofi Oduro mame kan se minchiro minimu suban what UK eye wi eni koken adwuma na ye no UK I know it me na me ba UK I know it o baba ware oba afiri masori odi kanyem oba no kura ansa na wo ye no ho ade reta na be ware no 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 e me ba e wo masori no ka me singers ho you play the fool You bloody fool. Fucking man like you. You call yourself man of God. Or be said, now so far, I'm going to can answer so far about you. Say, Quano, I'm full fear. What's a quantity to me? But foul fear, dear. What's in your way, rude and why mistake? I saw one a contopa. Abraham, the Lord, confusion so montem. Paul and the Barnabas, confusion so montem. I'm a man to pay more than it. Huh? So for Jimmy for Eke can quasia, dear man. Editia D4 was also be Paquanutum. Bishop Salifo ma ko be cassette o di watama nkrofo so mo ntiase say D4 Ghana nyina enkwasea fo na wo ye nyansani wo na ase so ni Bible mo wotimi gina waso dem preach say ma odifo bi an hyenkom fa mamuo ho. Do you believe Samuel not hyenkom e fa mamuo ho? Do you believe Daniel not hyenkom fa amamuo ho? Mordecai on e kire Esther se ko na said yet you nyame atusu se obeye kun mada. What do you know, Kofi Odro? Do you know your Bible? Say me a New Testament prophet. Na eso Agabus prophetic ministry. Na New Testament prophets ne de omo prophesy good nko. Hana ka to Agabus or prophesy good. We crack say you don't know your scriptures. Agabus ne prophesy say come back. Come back 3 good years. Agabus ne prophesy doom prophetic utterances. Etre Paul so chira de onim. Eche Paul. Where a good prophecy? What are you talking about? Say Munyaye, say Enamoya politics. John the Baptist. Or no, or can Herod him. But no kuta prophetic unction. But Cassetia Herod any namamu. Any ne kwan boni onam so. Who Kofi Odro timi gina wa saw them. E cassette your man penny and another dan kwakufuado. I can send for namamu. Eso so obi so be kasa fa mamu obi hu dia wo se nipa kro no de ne kuna so kasa wo dia wo hyankoma gibi se nyame ba obi dia oba hyankoma wo se eno de anya papa. What do you know? So osu bempa ana odifo bia sa Mugabe kwasiam pani ni jimini bi na no ka no ho no so odifo eno odifo hyankoma bem wan na ka kire se odifo hyankoma bem kwa na cheso we odifo papa we kra te se munnim Bible mo so mo ka metimi a kire mo Bible scriptures odifo pi hyankoma bem eno nche so mo ye false prophet
hyankom pa emem
Onza ena meso nkom bebe nkom se be na nyame na meso ahye nkom emem a mode na jigezi compare me no menye competition prophet o but so dem na me bufu a then I will come out and prove to you say menye fake prophet na menye badu ko bi na moji ni din no ye me ba me na me kire ni nyame ni amem kosi bra okotu aduro ena me pam no free me ho na jigezi wabama sori dem abetra me na ase ama me administration obepu nkotoja mahwe o yeragu no so da na the reason anti ontimi ma me nchen no enuro no kotutu ye na girl bi na ama born again ni ko tutu no me osofo tu adura ontimi ma me nchen
na jigezi una nampo ontimi no
san krofo ekwa mu jiro mu di so mu ya difo na jigezi we nkom se be no ahya abe metimi amagana fo he mu provoke me eti Paul sia hohoaho hia ba edu tam ye ho hia papa me kasa we me kasa bi na ma ja ama mo
so abien no fa me wo so
Paul say ahohoaho hia ba edu tam ye ho hia wodi di enti on provoke Paul person mo chese Paul kra no wo kra wo frɛ no kra ye hunu mu yi na Paul se hwɛ me na Paul kyerɛ sampa nyame na frɛ no na niam nyame na Paul so ye no asomafo no obi no na nyame fa no so ye sa mi Peter and John free and Philip free. Now, nyame nam osu bempa so ehyenkom echirei sa America akwa bi ya bibi boniti o wa aboje se mahu so attack America ama America aye damage ama nyame fam so describe no Osama bin Laden e wo ma so dem na Tuesday ne wo tipa so I'm telling you chire puma ekuta ni nyina etaki yes and see I think say 1 or 2 years and see Satam no nia no ye media o hwe me media so na mo UK and no frame say papa won come na bam enti Osama bin Laden won come to nyame na me so prophesy da Eddie Murphy the major ama mo maka
papa obi the comments be about or say man of God please forgive them moderator please stop asking papa questions that will provoke these things and I say me so be cause you say ye my papa information false information. Man about Facebook and I see obi ka say me nya say me bisa papa questions ah. Me so bamcho a program on everything that goes on social media. Papa who and now we are in a media world altogether. And now obi sinti Fred Kofi. You see, we have done these things.
My friend Kofi Oduro several times. Twice be cried your final make aside. I'm a catch him so papa. So we are so penny. And him me any dear mouth. Twice a free oko. Me friend on fair being seen. 18 and need the and oh yes, I don't know. But dear default them say a German for D4 as soon as now what no. Teachers me no woman, uno champion, one name, you know, one name, and no mako ye go, who Kofi Oduro. I dare you upabra out. Na men coach us a man. Na me who say man, omunkrofobia ba me ho. Na me onim krofom ba me ho. Information na me wo. Hwe obi di say appear stadium. Oso do John Mama e chen obi a. John Mama, me friend no ex-president crowd because he is dead. We you funu ono aso we odwanfunu. Na onim John Mama me attack ni brutal physically and spiritually because of Mugabe Munti. Until said John Mama be catch Mugabe say Mugabe men did you also me party bi. Mugabe ne nkwasiafo ni bejai. Ene sa Taylor bi no wa abrochi no. Calvin Taylor ene sa kwaku skirt. On beja also be party. On buja matendidi amenka sentia John Mama bi. But anytime bi amati say Mugabe abedi matendidi me ba attack John Mama. Because said John Mama hunu nyansa kan kire Mugabe say ja papa na temdidi a because manjini eche Mugabe. And our mama so anyini tell me. To sort no ma kwala Mugabe ene sa small boys no edi matem. Why he boy ya we ndc ni ya no tika ma wafu aboji sei ene ndc ni boy ya woni nam airport on mas we clean our honma omudi osu ben party ya because John Mama no wan kasa nkyere kwaku skirt wan kasa nkyere Mugabe ene omudi matem entuma Mugabe di matem a mi mom de American crash obi no be ka seche ma Ghana na ma meti medi watem ama wan kasa hu say yes medi watem na pa de ebesi bia opa manisi. And I make country attempt did no over Ghana president be over my dead body. Won't me president da opa bodate to me nyame and nyame kwanam to aba but memo who say you will be a nyame ben o Ghana ha efa na won na nduro na bututu no na be aduro na be koso me mefra tena so na sofo ye be wi a mekirem Rollins wo na se Rollins wo no wu ye no NDC for mo spirit awu. And I will prove it. And I will show people. And I will give revelation concerning Rollins' death. When they come at Tamils. Monsra Mosi JB Dankwa yi ewuo no. Wona me di watem no aka sa kire Mugabe no magai. Yasme fa ho. We are president in the day.
Spiritual president.
We are president. And so what? When you're president, a president is same you also bempa. Who are followers, miss more followers. Who are leader, miss me a leader. Who could have physical power, miss me could have spiritual power. Tina Jesus say Herod, we are sakanamai. He more being a hypocrite, so also bempa the president at him. Say Jesus did certain president at him, Nanya Bonia. Elijah or did about him. Then we can kushi ngum. But me made the attempt, but me nyame. So appear stadium ne kwasi asem no so dana ho no so no bre bi no didi matem odidi matema na ye Cosper stadium na a presidential car pa yi bi na ye Cosper stadium ohum ni oba me nchen na say hey don't come here because who di matem de bia who appear stadium minimum tama na me one mass ani etumrika e wo Kumasi Sports Stadium tama na me bobo corners yi na wo me ba me no ya fine even me yes suffer cry nyame pagya me ko stadium ko he ball me play football pa because na me footballer who appear stadium mo ba me ka ho na mama uska kwasi empani appear stadium sa now who did him atem who me stadium house ba me ten and me pamon no te se be aboa because we ya aboa ti me pamon no sa aboa we ya aboa te se Mugabe ti me pamon te se aboa now me suffer ade am ye now etu okoko dwane to a chama wuntumi ene madam fu bi I friend Boris B ene omo pa achew e ma apia stadium ene am say meja aboni na de achew because of Boris being it, I'm a wound to me and inferiority. Appear stadium to me, frame, say, Papa, this week, so one mammy sika, the name a bit dimpono, a biniho. Na makwama mahama sama says, Mamma crew female. Now come to me. Now my Sunday and go for this also been poor or mouse can walk. I know I papa. Wouldn't call for my papa more mammy kai. Maybe a papa more mean count, but me a papa man now be Jimmy. Then I'll let people know Sakwabi, my Canada and would matter ungrateful. Or you're ungrateful. Now, Miss Sunday 10 million MRP Stadium every week continuously. I'm going to catch them playing, catch them for say, come and here, you call ye free a bang Mama, Lucy, ye free a bang come and share supposed to be park, come and did ye crown one day. Me ohonum na appear stadium frame me senkrofobia ba no so attack no mpe se omukuno na nsuo to but we dwania ba beduru edwoso no pese oba akra no obehumi na me nkrofo no kasa na nkrofo no jan because atese nkrofo no MPP fo na am se me yini because MPP fo no me yini so mukum nipa the MPP ni bia no no ba bi ko e bia ba ko yi obi bibi na nkrofo bia ba so na de ko se MPP fo okay hefa na awo chama huntumi any Boris B nti wo de bra. The next day appear stadium by fear. No man had that. Or buy and obey narrative story next time or the number. A friend a threatening a chairman. I'm afraid number and God being so good in the part of PK. And I'm saying Pacho. Appear stadium say more threatening. And I say I suffer. Now appear stadium and Jenia bar. Sika. So obey your visa mano. I'm with disicano. You catch up your stadium so first can maya or so from my and yes society and yes you have tackle one fear near banisika maya you best show can ya shoe fee and I'm so oh sir Timunya MPP for almost said there be any MPP for and I'm saying me pamocho many from so full suben panamunya and I branch so so only so full suben panadia ya jadi appear stadium young attacking no Tyson kapapanki be kuno and I'm saying madam say me ntimo and appear stadium so pay protection into was any police commander wo kuma se kasa na omo no appear stadium obi na o protect no and I'm so wo appear stadium won sa me brother so for na kwesi and I'm catch the C2 and ye call anti amabuzi afie and na wo appear stadium punkotojo anti amabuzi afie punkotojo ma me nanim edo anu twitwiri fam so do anu twitwiri fam onka senti o ma peni na kufa do biem uni na tem biem. And I'm saying, PA, and young people for na etata so be cool. Kanokre, what could you be sick as be passport amano? And I went disicano, nipa kronu nia bema, and I etretin so be cool. Messi me ni ma pia stadium modern no twitwi fo. And antiama say, tiama buzia. And I say, no problem. On baby bia fa ho se be ya apia bibia anyo. And I wo die ase. And also wo frɛ wo papa John Mama. Ama John Mama so ada mema se, ada antiama buzia ase. Any penifo mo hono mase of Fred your mama amfa e hona appear stadium anti amabuzi am a witness my brother nana kwasi am a witness no pani bi su ka ho bi ono so am a witness every appear stadium anu o say my Fred your mama sa wonfa na obehunu se me ma baya bi afre na baya ne de ofre na obehu so obefa abaya ban a o se Miss Bell Ewape and appear sodom frame Miss Bell. A tear for Muntia me Ghana for Muntia me. And appear sodom narrative story nature Miss Bell. Miss Bell Frey John Mama. Ewape na Mama Fai. And a Miss Bell ne Mama Kasai. And a Miss Bell Frey appear stadium say my friend Mama no wafa no so of process here until you're ready no be fro. And pack na Mama Frey appear stadium. Appear stadium can ho no say ma John Mama Jimmy for no. A man kwan wodi ne sika mom na ne mpana ene Miss Bell. One say Miss Bell friend no de wafa. God is my witness. Antia mabuzi a me dance ni so be sa me boa. Antia mabuzi a wanyi no nya kwada ha. Wo ma me pani. Obi sa me boa. So fi na kwasi ni. I think say na C2 kura wo ho. Ohu sa de no. Omu ya me witness. Me tumra na ma kire sie. Nya se me twa ntro. Se me bumfu ya nkan se mo nyina menka. A ono apia sadom sorry ono o keka nsem hunu. Ama that day would your mama atem seriously. Sa sem to no o frɛ mama amfa. Eso ne mpena Miss Bell frɛ no de wa piki fu no. Enti apia so do na ma me hunu sɛ your mama ne mpena ene Miss Bell. E apia stadium. Apia stadium ya e wan tia mabuzi afie. Mo pa you see me bua pa oni man antiama buzia we MPP company fo bi mo pa mo nkobusa ma me no nya kwada na mdindina twantro eti sa papa ne issue ba ya na nkrofo say you obi no me nam nim say John Mama because apia stadium ene kan ye e wo demo wo ni opani John Mama e kasa wo the speaker asima John Mama kan ye nyina Mama free so ne apia stadium nko na e kasa ogukuo mu no na wo de papa ya to speaker wo ye Jimmy phone ti na wo nim nyansa nti Jimmy kra me kam tim say apia stadium wo Jimmy sa adi na papa pani say wo ne kasa wo na to speaker papa so nim so the speaker tika papa ke kan sem bia ke nyina yete abra papa nim so na to speaker wo apia stadium wadama se dantiama buzi ase oko mina me sama apia stadium sika em se man be 20 million se onye emfa fata nko
asem we course no edi be how many years
oh enche da be last year ya asem na me kan so
okay papa na onye wa bi so be kan ba bia
na asem we esi ya cho men kan kire umpo wan men ka asem enchiro bia obi onim sa asem ya sofo na nakwasi ene antiama buzi ya ene mpanifo no mo dem no that day o mu penom nim sa asem obi anim sada me kan to mase anu tie kase be yi nsema pia wono apia stadium agye say na John Mama de wa be kan John Mama na wakame nyawo na didi John Mama atem kire John Mama wo se John Mama pema no pensa wo se sese bra kwada bra oba da ne nchen no wanom nsa bro e no oba da ne nchen apia me si atema buzi ya me witness apia stadium o mu hwe etu apia stadium wo so do no bibi no pa free John Mama ho se John Mama bo na menatime asifie etu apia stadium onya de obenya free ho wi a obetimi adi watem na me osu bempeskam de me apia stadium pa otim be di matem no I don't understand sa no tie nsu ben nyina eti se akoa bi efe na apia biblical ungrateful person omunya de obenya wi a na for ma turn against you na me dia me ka o kasafidie iso me dia enya afi na me do be call police o I will deal with you. They also they question mrem nam dia question mrem. They also they question maransa nam dia question maransa. But who Mugabe? I'm telling you, say. Who see 2021 nipa be nyane Afri Ghana. 2021 Mugabe wo meta house wo be twane Afri. Wo si me medwane. Wo na be dwane. Wo pa bone date to. Em so ni ma wo su be pa wo. What you radio no so election be do ntina ma yedi. What you radio no so you ba wan se ma bawura wo. You don't know me well. Me pa kwasa me ma radio no so. Me atetew. Woni mi ohun. I don't want to go there. Obi so wo su be pa aden. Ntimi me kasa na kire Bible mu. Se kan na ese Peter hono no de ye den. Asuafo ni Peter Yesu ka chom se mon kotonton montade mu musuo emfa kototo se kan. Na omunya farmers o.
Papa obi se ohwe wo se ase ya obi wo mu.
Ya dia obi mu etia John Mama because John Mama na ma sankofo be di matem. Kanya John Mama ka Mugabe kwasiampe ni jimifuo we. O maame no papa mpo undi o matem me na be di matem. O maame no papa e no ye go tamufuo. Nyame osu bempa. Fucking boy like you. Atem didie. Udi agura. Me di atem nyina so na no me e ba so. Me matem die bia de no me ba. Na wo Mugabe. So wu e normal data. Nipa nyina mfrɛ me false prophet. Obe wuta ma onye ready so bi wu. Opa bone de tutu. Ono sa akwa bi na no ka ne ho no. Enu o mo didi matem no. Obi be ka se na osofo, wo ye nyamdwuma na asu atem didie. Na me ka se me ndro. Me wudi matem first, me mfiu. Wudi matem na ukotu fa there then I reply you. Sa blessed Monday. And then sa ankrofo bloggers no. Sa tiwa no. Ene sa perpetual donko. O me di matem sa me mfiu omo. But this time, sa tiwa no. Opa mo onyem da. Unim masama na ma onyankopon bofo na oye owu bofo. Eda obenyem okowu obewu ama be obi amama. Opa won chronto.
Amen.
Ebia oni yefun de benyem ntra. Na so oni yefun kro de benyem so a sa ba ya no obewu te sa aboa.
Ebia no wo awie so.
Ebi so anu wo awie fine. Unim so wo awie so unim de besi. Sa ayi tiwa no. Unim tumo mun ma de fen tumo. Tumo be boni trim am be pa ni trim ai no operation woni trim. Ye no operation on survive bi. Opa won chonto na de di me fufo sa perpetual don kono so osofo obenya serious problem na obewu te sa aboa me de owu nko na me sene wu omusu na papa Jordan ko no onwu easy obe unim ne fa ba bi be pro amamu afiri ma bansa na owu afira asase so me so e bible I'm telling you se sanko fo we ama me pa me chew atem didi no ma didi mi no sofo ebia ba ye o mo se osu be mpa kasa na odwa nanu hwan na ma tumi no e wo bufuo ma anya no mia me sofo bi authority ame odumi kotena radio bi so ko di matem se me maba ni fie abebon abra ni fie me nko honkobo satana sofo bi ato mu ho afiri me ho no so ne omo e na atim ab boy yi gu manim ase e ma radio no so enkofo fre di matem am se bone be na me dia yes abrantie no wasa akọ opani no tie no ho no afiri me ho na boy we kodi na chi no wasa akọ ho o mama niska o san fa ka san akọ another radio station akodi osu be mpatem ogina ho e wo nipa no ne dan street no e na anwaka ebetwi fa boy ne so ye fa ne sofo Gilbert Prophet Gilbert anwaka etwi fa ne so eno na nchen sofo bi ye fa no odu no ye ma sofo no baako ono so eti ne ho firi me ho ono na ekeka gu sa boy na so ma okudidi matem no odu omu tamani papa ade om de ye me honum no omu frɛ me ono me kasa ofunsu no osu papa boni bi am de ayo bia fa kyɛ me na bra na behwɛ me na me o chopa bi a me pese me de ma enam tu ka call be say na me nipa me bompa ama obia na no o se papa ma ye obone na ba bia me kompa bo bia no prophecy ba say ma yes me sopo pani bi efe na osu bempa bone ti na sa de wi atome no na dia sa odum no de ye me no sa me ka e be nkrofo nwanwa sofo odu abra wo hyema se me na se be bosum dra twa wo ka papa me bonpaye man na Isaac Cantor, Prophet Isaac Cantor, he was there. Isaac Cantor is my witness. So me can't refer no point you be because the old chant will be I want to meet today. Do you see me buano pomusa Prophet Anto Isaac Cantor? He was there. Me bonpaye mom that day cry me from Prophet Anto Emma me dollars. Say papa G aforiboy na Nyamisha Prophet Anto obuade too much. Until so do any sankrofo no. He respects a lot. Because okadi nyame na me so aye. Oh na brabo. Me ba fie na fe me ra. Na fe me bom pese urade. Enyini free sama ne kunu. E ma osan ye de ni free fie ba hospital me san ko mpoko kosra no. Me ohosan na mtesu wawu. No wu ye na ha me. But a dear odum de me no odum polutu masofo best for on sa less ofri mi ntia masumdie mu nti oda so ne nam ne baby Bishop Adima pre no hwehwe me to invite me say na me program na ma anko because on hwehwe me o papa ne me but on hwehwe me papa Reverend Victor say me hwehwe no ma hwehwe no kra me ye ne ma bi na wo say me ye me spiritual father baako Bishop Kampuku, but the UK, but still, be at least. Almost had it. And to us, let the spiritual things I say. Tia for Muti, my mamma can say so for Bempa. What could too far? Mean go too far. Your mamma, Nama, Mugabe, Mako too far, Mam's Mako too far. Said your mamma and Cassan say Mugabe. Or the call first gear, Meko first gear. Fourth gear, Miss Meko fourth gear. brebra ma ne ma nti John ma me so wo pese me de eduo ne anidie ma wa kasakere mo gabi a wadi matem sa wa wonim so wadi matem wontimi nka mo bi nka se na se bia no onim wana ka che so wonim mo gabi di matem a ye yi no ha yi a ye nyina ehwe bi to papa John Dramani to ohuni me kra me friend papa John Dramani mama to ohuni ade me soso me o ma me ye nipo moja na me mu o me o 5 senses sabe me o ma na oba etika mu ekwadwuma na se school na obeti si ye di matem e wo social media better na ban ko betime concentrate yesu ade enough is enough me mo gabi mini watem da e na me nya obone da enkom se nya me na me so hweye se wonyim ni a me nka ho asem wonyim ni na jigazi de na jidi a enka ho asem ana na fa ni tino be di matem so so be mpa ma hye nkom tu di matem uni mi wie na wo betimi ni ma wie can you finish with me? You dare not. Because we will boss your mama no cry me slow. Your mama. Now your mama no power can.
Yo, I'm out for way I'm so for me den the kwaku man make catch us away Dave Hammer. Dave Hammer. TV Kumasi there. You cut Dave Hammer, Hello FM, why back up. But the TV soon I'm what you say. I know the Santo ya Santa ya Bolombo Bolom. I'm love it.
Very reverend. Because you die before your time. Now you're suffering. Now is it a curse you are imposing on somebody? You die before your time. Nyamine money pound kwan. One the name time money be the prophet also been say you die before your time. And I'm a breaking all you hey.
Yes, a judgmental prayer. As you push the person
judgmental
to the
prayer.
Judgmental prayer.
Wow.
Do a beer, you need to win a man. It is going for one year, no one in the share. Yen no when you are a yen people who yasing in Ano Yamikumo. Bonson cum, you partner with Tikuno. Yamed your friend. Yamin Queen or Frey, or the boy for the Yakopon Panasino. And it is a walk ship will be our teach or not or teach to me so. Not with timid domain. No pianisha corner. Na saa nipa kro no asemo a wo ka anasa de wode aye no no se wonyina so wo so ne asase so a na ne realms of spiritual realms no wodi kan ja wo timi shapao
timi ju confuse.
Yes.
In the asemo ka se Mugabe or win the time or breaking oil na e betima bam.
Oh David sabi o ka frache other side the class e bu bi de amanya. Say Casa boss on government be the location the panel. And you know, if you for per wa, and as I show Emma or two question will be a semi. A nudru, Bible so am I and qua, or am I in Shra, and or am I no mean so where they were. It is a young Shra and no sad idea. Not said your no fee so we need deal. We need a new compasso dear, and then God can judge you.
But you won't be dear scenario.
Yes. You will be a own in the old Julia as some
dinner tema a bit more.
Will be a Judy as some supreme word.
Wow.
Will be Cassidy recently. Now, some will catch them the one you ship. Or I care. But the catcher and say, dear, may will feast or catch them some in my bada. Oh, and Tina Marius go. Never second ball, next degree, or in the national service. Ella, why we near? Or no, so ye, Polly or in the national service. Indeed, move other down one say. It is one funny dear mammy. Dinner so a car. Could you use that? Or didn't police? It is the one funny dear mammy. Now what to me baho. And no, so I worry, dear, what you want to marry. Office of Diagro. Maybe I some supreme word. Where some for the same answer. Hey. Now, also
when it comes like that, now why should a pastor impose a curse on somebody?
Yes, of our Bible. Our Bible.
Okay, say Elijah.
In the New Testament, I can give you more. Our Bible.
I'm saying, also when Paul verse in the power, Elijah man.
Paul to me will be my inflabono. No one will bring to see Bible. And you know, say. who push the partner to the wall. This is a who nipa in the realms of sport be a who to overcome no. And on any ejuma. But the nipa no realms e won the nimu sen wo dia.
Say Mugabe no realms won anima.
E won the nimu dia ejuma. Say Mugabe jini wodi. Utie Mugabe ojini di so se oni abofo na ejuma.
I see.
It is a nyade o kana
power to power.
A nyade o kana no fafa. But I mean so on kana no fafa so because consistent declaration things.
That's what
GBBD. Ni dance bibi so.
I see.
Are you getting me? Until now they say I am a Ghana America.
To omo ko bembe omo.
Into mu mienu ni ebe hu de all crash obi ni de all crash obi. Until sinibe ye de.
Prophecy of death of leaders.
Yes.
And no Jerry so yanti asempa.
Oh.
Na amanfo kan say omo ti say usu bempa prophesy way back. Say obi oye o ma peni dada e be free. Emo ka say even NDC Vice
former
Emma the amount for agia too.
Vice of Uda Nana.
So ba
and no cry
some prophecies way Baba say Bishop yeah knew because he say Jericho a coin of fast kwa Ghana for a shock.
Yeah.
Just
for
like
me, and Yamawa. On say, ye Casabati, and you background. On Zadi, we have phobia, say, or no grano, unexpected. But who shared the Sinano Tabo Mami, who yana at all so. But Madraka said, will be cra, and then the mother elementical. So far as I said, Mammy, yes, and in one day. But when you flew up, when you are so
I didn't think that's how it happened because it said John C. Politicians one
Adia, your papa, Jelly Bayenu, at the Ghana. Apart from so be coming from everywhere. We knew our leader or Ghana, the history, the long years or track in Yanosono. Yes, we are so for a Ghana there. Or breaking through. Or making it. When you're free.
Yeah.
All part of the way.
Yeah.
From today, great
leader.
All the history book. As I'm so cry,
yeah.
Enchemuda.
Great
leader. Legacy, the Enchemuda.
Yeah.
But, se we didn't turn next year, going to me. You throw free movement on the man, and to me, you could mean so. For 19 and 20 something years in be at the head of state. Wakuma and a free mojemu. Until she had the mamma crime fear would drew ye. 101 as I say. And you know, sadness here, and at the age of 73, no. Any meaning.
Wow.
Your ages be or honor would drew. Any meaning, dear, or there would the Musa. I be able to. It is some no more you know in the edition.
Okay. I see. Age 73.
And age 73, 74, 75, any meaning.
Any meaning. Wow.
53, any meaning. What do you share age, you know? 62, any meaning. Nipa teru rough.
Nipa teru was
Bibi you are back up.
53, 73. It's true.
From a BH ball.
Don't do that age now. It's all we are careful.
Yes, of course. One only Yami and far pound because on say the numbers standing for the meaning for your personality in the sight of God. We age and a number biara no. The meaning for standing to the dim biarabu awa age na omo nyankopon. Enyina so awayo. It is said ye aid me as a credit. Would the Musa. Until from a beer to be born.
Okay. And when somebody the other does because who your president da. Who your president da. So we can be chair a good father.
Yeah.
And so for the president.
And not the every say a pressure of the people not the kind.
Hey, they go to pass Mama and your president down.
Please. Sebi. Also when Pana be getting so we need to say Mahama. Makase. Nyakopon. Nedo, and then no my and any parkway. But I was on my quine yere, my quine and Missus Yere, God has his own sovereignty. Nipa bi also on his sovereignty. Bia wo de wo hu a wo de kasa. Na Onyankopon so ni nyina so ba so obedie.
Okay.
Onipa wo nya adwen sakira mfiri Onyankopon no ehumobro ma ne chimu yo ponso. Ono no wontimi sakira da. Ono na nkwaje ntimi ma na kwamu da. Enti no se ye papa mama. Why present? I have asked. Until we are breaking sergeants.
Yeah, Obeti Masabe
present.
Oh, sir.
It depends for the choice. Maybe be at the party structure the be engine Panama. Because the Ghana Mremuch say, wow, you any tapes. But the Eniano, I can't say, see you. You better say NDC member power. And then a woman declaration.
Okay. And pastors also insult normal.
You're calling your character.
The people are looking up to leaders. Made this cast and if somebody is looking up to you as a leader, now would do be at them in the national
my catcher of that say also when pan you be a ombre na okana or no wakat was omeka but okana on va honcho but the amani pa who say the man of God now returns. But the man of God have emotion, have a feeling.
No feeling.
Oh, I think oh yeah. Oh, Ebusia.
Oh, ma.
Oh, sorry ma.
Oh, sorry ma.
And the dear na sorry ma because of papa. I don't know man go for we can get this actual. And you know, message said media no this time no. Yam one ma education to me and consume pray. But ye per se ubi won chire ni nyina yen so no mum push no mfa nto amro yen kata na so kora because the mo ye papa emwa ne se wo hye contra ana se wo hye kompa eda woni Onyankopon tem ye be accountable for
nya wo wasem
ena asem a wo ka no o meka nkire wo se wo o se won de onyame ama na hu no wo ka kire ede man Ghana
do problem ni say
and do problem ni say enti no mesra wo bebrebe si ye nyina be kasa ena be ye obi adade dia enka ye ni problem but mesra mi ni ano so say adwuma na wafa ato no ho so no eni de die ogina no ne de die waduro no de mo kabin to na dwuma mu da say onipa en criticize no ana so mo nkanasa because ontimi ensutu obi a ontimi nkase be ni pe nyina ade
ontimi please
obi a enti onkura na koma man fino man soso enu oni Onyankopon e de ntam we de asam because say the Mugabe nyina duri na say yetisi odi sabi owusu be batam a enti your former president Dada and the beka kire Mugabe said dinatem bia
is possible
where everything mini relationship between Mugabe and the former president. But a former president there.
No, we did Buddha.
Where
former president we did
maintain that no something. I said politics now na ye difi e bata nipa.
So what for be no old dinner.
No said they did them no. Enti no mesra say ye papa usu be buy be bra. Ma emani padodo push you to the wall. And ye krawa koma ye. Na because former president krawa dan for no make this year yamu and on the Koshia program yasia or betcha na the bodyguard be yes or man but former president Manakwaso or Mama Kwabecha yeah and the actually the personality there until the followers are the more year me feel say ena misramo me kasa say we say NDC ni MPP so I na mama na yemu da share no say we able we papa we able yenya because yenya Ghana for because say usu baka say the former president and the vice BBU. Because I said no, say BBU and this former once. No one could be Sania Mompire. No, be who and for so be anyone but Mamma. Of
course.
The question of the day, sir. On camera be Mudana. A BC Dana. And you know, Samuel, what did that say? So for Subampane, a late the vice who you know, on any issue. On any issue, yeah. enti edu ba bia mum yemfa respect mo de obi adwuma wo ye obi adwuma ye dey oh yeah because as a radio station bi ukofro obi because ye program ye mu no sata will be the issues obi frame fi London say osusu say obi sam say ayi asibesi ye sofo pa na say eni ben ahwehwe ben aso ben na me ofori bi begira waka so obi nye sofo papa na be na me on the followers blasphemy say mentimi am fechira sam na nka me de wade when ni bi obeka so bi ye training ni so bi anaso obi ye sofo so bi ni kwa na se onyame afre no na me ko jira yin na magu ni pala tezo onyame mfre o enti say yes sofo se o so beba so onyame na aka kire no na se nye onyame na aka kire na se onyame bu atade dia that che o me jira na temu ani of course enti wo so a wo ye o radio station sabi o ka frache and yet the first time we had to so be peka say MPP be wi ni waka bi da so say NDC be wi ara ni yen judging free home
okay this or there by can it favor a political party be ana
David me no program ba ko catch us say ya hwe ya insult bi ma no mo ye decisive person omo ni party bi ano omo ti wasa say o ma dwen o
no so be ADNDC
emwa
candidate atem
emwa
e betima affect MPP
emwa
betima affect MPP
e che say emwa bi mpese ni fetching kra in the Caribbean in the status in Dibrano as a obi aware the president da though ye Yakopon akwade but papa na muni na tam da
okay
papa na muni na tam we dey and now say the baby di na tam da oh please say me or evidence don for me but so ni evidence dia e na aka dem say ni nyina so bia
okay
say me Mugabe di na tam a ono ti rote say Mugabe na eka it is ono susu person di Mugabe atemu a eno de kwanda ho oh but said obi ogira ni ba bi na on care bi the same thing at 2015 make up the way NDC for business we see na Akufo atemu no it dem bia because adira mu ye party mu ahwe mbelu so because obi abobra be dum pempen so obi a weti ba gira as a presidential candidate the party millions of people na support no now the obi papa or for say and he's some great no obi tiri se san kokoro it insult na ye dey kan personal attack no ye di asofo atem ye say no please edu brace ye chai edu brace ye chai obi asa wo ko gira o platform so ka de wo fi say o party are wo ye sofo na fi say o party we are. For me, I don't believe such of things as a beard. Okay. But so we when him saw party here, can your party be to there? Na ye monthly yes, ye be more money there, kabum. Ye koba. Ye share was sorry, ye share with yase, ye share with party say, ye share with June, ye track kabum. Yeah. Ye in your for. Into the yes, and then the Kusabre, yes, any brainy coronavirus. Hello, somewhere. All part the pa, I was sad the pa. But I guess some those so they do yet, and I will in a ministry yet. When I make kind of oh, there I just a walk. Now, me do you could drive in a car so now kind of and David, you just added them because yeah, Marcus so at that region, so I will say, yeah, back or crab, but what is time for this time I see to catch a kaboom. Ah, Edian Qua, Bonsamba Kona, yeah, Pamono. The see Jan Yaki when you kaboom. And on the yes to tray. And on the yes to the tour. Who knew Biadoma Kawanu too? Uni obi ede apamo no Nyankopon wo de beboa di padodo akawanu ede tu neko sie free ni nchen no won kire anako bisa no won kire ba nyina ba bi enka se me tuba for Bible me sia na wo di condemn obi na Bible no obi so ni nse o bia wo kan Bible raw oh winning the background winning the time winning the entire season time where they can into ye bibi bia ye nto yebo ye nam normal bebrebe so a Ubi fees will be condemned, will be not say we need millions of people. And so be an hour, they won't even say movie. I was saying the public grown, I so they won't even more when you're moshe. And answer for Judico, a baby, and yes, a baby, a mayor should be panu.
Very, very not up to free. Akasa Bebre, the book, the Guardian Angel books.
Yeah, David.
Find your Guardian Angel.
Find your Guardian Angel book, no,
around the two people.
So person nya awrade mu nim de ne number for the na adwuma 24/7. Now no fire uncle. Ebema all the details.
Yeah.
July 1st to 5th July. The guardian angel no meaning say savior. God. And he saved you for all problems. You can link him to be your friend. Na amotia samanfo hu ne di wachi nyina to ede. Etwa. For baby awobia oto di ebiti nyamele.
Say 20 Ghana.
20 cities pro.
The bomodi ane frɛ very reverend Dr. Peter Free. The number go asie
0244
38 32 13 0262 38 32 13 0504 38 32 13.
And the one say all this year we are for bo. As a da for a bomber rade. 29th of November.
Sure.
Into Ubia, OEM farm, spiritual sound daughters. Wherever you are, my event in India. You can send it. Unimi number no. You send ya. Yansabeka edudi betuja. I'm working there. Yede ministry gospel no. And the other buano yede actually Christo genuine. Fridays biano pa. Ishia Calvary Retreat Center Wabre Pokuma. Sundays anopa. Ishia Calvary Retreat Center Wabre Po. Bradani and Bobo Monson. Na Christo, uni asoro kona ukumansa mwantenso. Don't be a lazy. Join us. And I never first saw more in Shabby.
Nice one.
Who probably as well. And yet, apart from a for more ukumansa in Krania India. Uchana more, Usu Babidu. If you had a back up, because you had a back up, and once of all, a woman from Chiba. You ever welcome with peace. You ever wow at your dear. Ubi Chimaya, Christo. A riding in so bit in pay also. Our Jesus Christ. From Tuesday to the Thursday, from 10 to 6 p.m. Friday upon me, sorry, Sunday upon me, sorry. Bible school, the new class, and I ever started in January. I was zone so, and no information. I feel Angel Book. First session, I am my second number, but Unya, first one, I'm what is second and celebrate. Thank you.
Very Reverend Dr. Peter Free. What in Kano? Kitchen symbol. I don't do me. You ever say she you?
Baba.
You're coming now.